Bitcoin tornado warning. Have you seen this chart right here? It's time to pay attention. If you're new here, welcome in. My name is Steve. On this channel, we talk about just the facts and the charts. Hit that subscribe button. You're going to love it. I've been getting a lot of questions. Steve, I want to sign up to your FFA. Why do you have it locked? So let me address this here. You can join the waiting list for the FFA. We have it locked most of the time. We open it up once in a while. Okay. So for those of you who are confused, okay, is that the courses that you have? So what we have are courses and a monthly membership. The courses you pay one time, you have them for life. The monthly membership is much more affordable. You pay us a lower price per month, right? So the membership is closed, all right? You can join our waiting list. You can email us to join the waiting list or go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. But huge shout out to everyone who's in the FFA. That thing is on fire. We've been building it for about 2 years. We just recently launched it and nobody has built anything like it in the world. It combines financial freedom with crypto. So if you want to use crypto to gain financial freedom, we give it step by step of how to do it. We also have live videos with me, live calls with me, market reports every single week. You have form alerts, which are the most important charts on planet Earth happening in real time with your fellow professors. There's mini courses that are just life-changing, step-by-step information of how to gain financial freedom. It's unbelievable. The FFA is our future. And hopefully soon we will have a special open doors. So keep your eyes peeled for that. But in the meantime, you can join the waiting list. Now to this chart. We're on the 2-month chart. Each candle is 2 months. We talked about this candle back in the day. We will revisit it. We will talk about this level here and what's happening right now with the candles that we have currently. The 2-month candles are legendary. And when you look at them, a couple things become clear. When you have 2 months of price action in one candle, you can get a lot of information. For example, back in 2020, we made a video about the 2-month candles. And a lot of people were like, haha, funny, silly, you know, that's kind of cute, 2-month candles, who cares about them? But here's what we said a couple years ago. We were in this downtrending channel for multiple years. Again, anytime you break a multi-year downtrending channel with the resistance zone and you hold that as support, it's rocket fuel, plain and simple. This candle right here is a dragonfly doji. By definition, it's found at the bottom of downtrends and it signals a trend reversal. Keep in mind, this is COVID crash. Everybody here was saying, oh, we're going a lot lower, we're going a lot lower, we're going a lot lower. The high majority, 80-85% of people. We said, who cares about your lower? This is a dragonfly doji. We're going way higher. And everybody in the comments, you can go back and watch the video. They're all like, yeah, that, you know, that's cute, whatever. You have no idea what you're talking about. Okay, men lie, women lie, the charts don't lie. I don't make videos that you want to hear. I make videos on the facts. If you can't handle the facts, you probably won't like this channel. If you wanted me to make a video here saying that we're going substantially lower, that would have gotten a lot more views because that's what everyone was saying and everyone wanted to hear about it. But that's not what the charts were saying. I cover the charts. The charts are like a language. Either you can speak it or you can't. It's not like you sort of can speak a language. No, either you can speak it fluently or you're garbage at it. Plain and simple. The charts are my language. I've been speaking chart language since I was 16. Another language that is very, very useful is how to code. If you know that one, you can get really far ahead in life. If you know this language, you can jump over leaps and bounds over a lot of people who would just end up being average in life. They don't know this language. They don't even know it exists. But when you know this language, you know, okay, this is a dragonfly doji. We've been in a multi-year downtrend. We're about to go really to the moon. And that's what happened. I mean, we went, you know, this was a low of 3,000 something up to 70. Okay, these candles are very important. So I say that to say this. We had this trend happen where we had this dragonfly doji. We rallied all the way up. This candle right here on November 1st had resistance at this $29,000 level. The next candle after that had support at the $29,000 level. Then we went up to 70-ish thousand. Then we crashed all the way back down to where? 29,000. This is our market structure. But this time we had large wicks. These wicks were bought up. Because they were bought up in huge quantities, you can see it really propelled us forward to reach our double top. Once we reached our double top, that was the end of our story and a reversal was in order. And this time, $29,000 level did not stop us. We crashed through it, and we ended up having our market cycle bottoms. Bottom number one, this was our double bottom, which, by the way, remarkably, we called 100% accurately, which is just, it's crazy because every one of the world's top economists disagreed with me all of last year and in the beginning of this year. And it turned out we were 100% accurate with the mega crash at 48K, with the first bottom, with the second bottom, with entering phase one of the bull here. And by the way, going sideways for 100 plus days. So men lie, women lie, the charts don't lie. I give all the respect to the charts. But when we bottomed here, we rallied all the way up to where? $29,000 level. That's our resistance. Then we had our breakthrough candle. This was incredibly important. This breakthrough candle is trying to reclaim the most important level in Bitcoin. By far, you can see the market structure here. You can see this candle, and Bitcoin was on a roll. We had entered phase one of the bull. We reclaimed this line with a breakthrough candle, and we were waiting patiently for our confirmation candle. We've been very, very patient, but this candle right here is a problem. This candle right here is not looking like it's going to confirm on top of this white line. It's quite looking like the opposite. This is looking like a bearish engulfing candle. Now keep in mind, as we speak right now, it is not a bearish engulfing candle because it hasn't printed. But at the end of the month, this bad boy is going to print, and it's highly likely, it's highly probable that this will print a bearish engulfing candle. So not only are we not going to hold this white line as support, we're going to print a bearish engulfing candle. I do want to pump the brakes a little bit. And I want to point out this candle right here. This candle right here technically is a bearish engulfing candle. By definition, it's red. The prior candle is green, and the red body encompasses the entire green body, meaning the red body is way bigger, so it's a bearish engulfing candle. However, we didn't go down in price. We actually went up. There's a couple examples where we have these types of candles, right? Another one is right here. We had this green candle here. This is a red candle. The red candle body is way bigger than the green candle. This is a bearish engulfing candle. We actually went the opposite direction. So I will say this, not every bearish engulfing candle on all time frames goes down. It's just what by definition bearish engulfing candles are supposed to be, a momentum shift to the other side. But it's looking like that this struggle for 29K, right? This is going to be a storyline for Bitcoin for some months to come, is trying to reclaim this line of 21,000 in change so that Bitcoin can really hold this market structure and start to grow into phase two of the bull. So very noteworthy material. Let me know in the comments down below which way you think that this is going to go with this bearish engulfing candle, and make sure you join the waiting list for our legendary FFA. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs. Do you always wish you had more money, but you're not sure how to do it? Financial Freedom Academy. This will change your life.